we will make our top view. Okay, so let's make this top view. If I make our box, okay, I don't know. Can you see well? I mean, with a good definition? Okay. Was my computer. Hi, Siddharth. Hi. Okay, so if this is our, let's say, our basic shape, okay? Okay? And then here we have our perspective lines to which we will put our wheels, because that's what we're looking for. That's why we put those lines, okay? This could be the shadow. If the light is from the top, but because we put the light coming from here, then this shadow will change. You see the same construction I did before. Now, if I take the minor axis, you see? Minor axis goes to the vanishing point. Okay, so now let's give a shape to this. And the shadow is pushed inside, under the car, to be more dynamic. our reflection. Of course, this is a city car. Next time, next week, I will make a view like that, and then we will use chalk and everything to make a nice rendering. That's what I would like to do. Do you agree? Do you like this idea? Okay, this is a real quick top view perspective, okay? The next stream will be Tuesday, every Tuesday. Yeah, every Tuesday we are here. Until I can do it, I will do it. If I will have some, I don't know, some important things to do and I cannot stick to this timing, you will know. We will discuss together. Very fuzzy, a little messy sketch, but it looks nice. I mean, I like the feeling. Looks fresh because of the technique, not because of the design. Technique is important. If you master in a certain way, you can make things that are not that great look great. See, I'm fixing the lines. I want to something that is more energetic, more dynamic. You see? Okay, put a light there. It looks nice. A little bit of, let's make a strange quill cap, real strange. Play with contrast. You see, playing with contrast, it makes it look special. Looks like it's really aluminum, I don't know. Sort of this shiny material, but it's fun. I think that that you also should feel that you are enjoying, you know. Look, looks cool. It really looks cool. I didn't even know I was gonna do something like that. Okay, let's continue on this one too. Why not? Nice. Where is the contrast? It's always looks always great. So what do you think? Let me know. Prashant, I'm always working on projects. If I'm working, of course. No, I cannot tell you about what, but yes, I am. You see, I put the door handle. Something that I never do. Let's put the B pillar. Look, it looks like glass. Now, did you see this wheel? I turned a little bit. And because I did it, this ellipse is doing that. The minor axis. Because I had to tilt it in order to show that it's, it's turning wheel. Okay, the last thing we can do is to open up a sunroof. What do you think? Shall we do it? And we can see a little bit of the transparency. So we can just put some lines, like if we can see through the interior, even if we don't really know what is there, but you see? Now we can see there is a depth, you know? Door panel. I don't know, whatever. And one thing we can do here for the light, we can do something that it's a little bit better than what I did before. You see? It's much better like that. Okay, I think I can stop. This one is a nice sketch. Probably is the best one of today. What do you think? Okay, guys, I think I'm finished.